Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to fix Elementor vertical drop down menu not working properly in Elementor WordPress. So this is our vertical menu. We have drop down. Now you see not showing properly. So we are going to fix it using custom CSS. So we are using WordPress menu. Now go to page. So this is our page. And we are using WordPress menu, so we are going to add custom CSS. Go to advanced. In advanced, now you see custom CSS, so click on it and then click on paste. So we added custom CSS and you will find this custom CSS in video description or in comment section. So you can set animation time 0.25 second. So you can do customization in custom CSS according to requirement. You see margin left, font size, transition transform. You see multiple option here, opacity, and then click on publish. Now publish done, go to page again and refresh the page. So this is our vertical drop down menu. Now expand drop down. Now you see our WordPress menu vertical working fine by using custom CSS. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.